In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Docs into Notion. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Depending on whether you already have the desktop app, you'll either click Login or Launch Notion. Log in with your usual account so you're looking at your Notion home. Next, navigate to your workspace. A workspace is the hub that holds your pages and databases. If you're part of more than one, make sure you pick the one where you want the imported documents to live. Now, head to the specific page where you want to bring your content. This could be a team wiki, a project page, or a personal folder page. Keep that page open. The import will send your items there. Look toward the top right of the page for the three-dot icon. Click it to open the page menu, then scroll down and choose Import. This opens a pop-up window that lists different sources you can bring content from. In that pop-up, scroll down to the third-party import section and select Google Docs. You'll see a button that says Connect Google Account. Click it, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account to connect. Pick the account that owns the docs you want. You may see a few permission screens. Go ahead and accept or enable them. These permissions allow Notion to read your files so it can copy them into your workspace. If your organization manages your Google account, you might see an admin notice. That's normal. Just proceed with the allowed options. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles. Once your Google account is connected, Notion will display your docs so you can select what to import. You can select one document or several at once. Notion will queue them and import in order. Click the documents you want, and Notion will start bringing them in. Depending on the size of the files and your connection, this can take a moment. When it finishes, the imported documents appear as pages in your chosen location with headings, text, and basic formatting preserved. It's a good idea to skim each one afterward to make sure everything looks right and to adjust formatting if needed. After import, you can rename pages and move them inside your space like any other Notion page. And that's it. No complicated setup, just a quick connect and import. If you ever want to disconnect that Google account later, you can manage connections in your Notion settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.